Yo, what's good, YouTubers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy LB. So it has been a long time without sitting here in the front of you. I'm back. Last day was talking about Adobe After Effects. So we saw the different method how you can create your own effect in After Effects. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how to do something in Premiere Pro. I just want to show you how to change any color of subject in your videos just in Premiere Pro. So guys, here in Premiere Pro, as you see here, I have two different clips because I'm going to show you the two different methods how you can change any color. So now, first let me click here on this first clip, and then let's jump here on effect, and then I'm going to search the effect called change color. So now let me drag this change color here on this my clip, then let me come here on this change color effect settings. So now I have to change any color you want. Guys, as you see here on my clip, I have different colors: blue, white, green, brown, etc, and black. Okay, so now I just want to change this blue color. So now I have to come here on this color to change, and then I'm going to use this icon for change the color. So now let me click here, and then let me come to click on any color I just want to change. If I want to change white, you can click here on white. If it is black, you can click on a black color. If it is blue, you can click on a blue color. So now I'm going to click on blue color because the one color I just want to change. After this, come back here on match colors. For here, using RGB, I have to choose hue. Okay, after this, and then I'm going to on hue transform. When I change the colors, guys, you see here my clip is change the colors, especially the blue ones. Okay, you can choose any color you want. If it is green, red, pink, etc. So when I play, you see the blue which is in whole clip is changed into green. So guys, let's jump on the second clip. So now this is the first method you have been seeing. Okay, so now let's jump on the second method. So now click on this clip, and then let's come here on color tab. Okay, so guys, this is my clip how it is. I just want to change this red color on this Jeep. Okay, so now I have to open up this HCRA secondary, which is located in Lumetri color. Okay, so now let me open up, and then I'm going to use this key again. So when I press on this key, and then let me come to click on this red because I just want to choose this red color. When I click on it, okay, and then I have to enable this color gray. So guys, as you see here, it is not matching it well, so I have to balance well these lines, those three lines. Okay, yes, these lines again. Yes, come on. Maybe this is great. When I try to disable this color gray, as you see here, almost this red is almost this red has been selected. Okay, so now I can increase a little bit. Okay, this is cool. So now after this, guys, I can come here to change the color by using this cycle of this color. Okay, so when I try to move up, you see how my Jeep is changing the color. Okay, yeah, this one, you see how it is. So let me choose this one too. Okay, Guys, let me hope let me hope this. Yeah, I know this video is very helpful to you. Please leave your thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me know what you think. Let's meet in next video. Please stay creative and peace.